Hello everyone, this is Kerry. I will be presenting my 6Python project, which is a file organizer. The reason that I created this project was because my downloads folder was really messy. So like anything I downloaded from the internet, like a image background for my desktop, it was all over the place because it was combined with all my documents like PDFs, everything. It was all like into one download. So the first thing we're gonna use is import OS and import Studio. OS is basically the operating system. This allows us to check files and folders. It also allowed us to create them or delete them. So it's basically like a tool that allows us to manage files and directories. Studio is like a tool that helps us in moving and copying files. So it's just basically easier to manage tasks with it. So on the naming extensions, we mostly use the extensions that we commonly use. I'm gonna tell you why. Let's say you click a link on the internet and it's not something that you commonly use. It's not a file that you commonly use, right? It's not gonna appear on one of your folders. It's gonna be on the downloads folder, but not like on inside a folder that you actually use, right? So instantly you know that something is suspicious and you're not gonna open that file, so you're not gonna get no virus on your computer or anything. So that's why I mostly recommend that you use the files that you commonly use on your computer. So yeah, when you run the path to the directory that you want to organize, I think that you should copy all your files first to have like a background copy of it before you actually run the code. This is because if there's something wrong with the code, you can lose all your files. So basically have like a backup for all the files before you actually organize them to make sure that the code actually works. If it works, it's probably gonna work on everything else. So the first thing we're gonna do is create the directories, subdirectories, which is images, videos, documents, code, and others. Others is basically if nothing is here, that like this categories, we're gonna put it on others. If it is not on others, it's gonna be on downloads folder, which is like suspicious files that we haven't checked, right? So we go to the path, we join it, and if the path doesn't exist, we make that directory, which is images, videos, documents, code, and others, right? We get the file extensions. So we use os.path.split text on the file one, and we get the extension from here. From video is the same thing. We get the extension that we commonly use, document, code, and we make a for loop. This for loop allows us to go to the files in the directory. So if the directory, so if the file is in the directory, it's gonna continue. If it's not, it's gonna move the file with Studio to that directory. So that's basically it, pretty much. It was like a really short project, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Give me one sec. Let me pull up my downloads folder. As you can see, everything is really messy, all over the place. So let me put this right here so you can see better. Make this smaller and run. See? So basically 3 items are in code, 17 items are in documents, 25 items are in images, 0 items are in others, and 3 items are in videos. You can open them. HTML, .py, Java. As you can see, they're all copies. Just in case. Copies, images, videos, and there's nothing in others. So like if there's a random file here, you'd be like, oh, maybe that's weird, maybe I shouldn't open it because I may get some virus or something. It's not something I haven't checked. So I think that it will be really helpful for that. And let me show you something real quick for Mac users. So as I told you here, you can press right click and option on your keyboard. This will allow you to get the path name. For example, if I press here, click, I press options, it'll probably tell me, let me see, more videos. Yeah, let's say I press this folder on videos. As you see, it allows me to copy the path name once I press option. So yeah, that was everything, and I hope I see you guys soon.